Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install Windows 11 without an internet connection. I have installed Windows 11 Home Edition and everyone is stuck here because internet connection is not connected to the computer. Let's bypass this step without having connected internet. Press Shift plus F10 key to open command prompt. Now type task mgr and hit enter on your keyboard to open task manager. Click on more details. In the process section, scroll down and find out network connection flow. Right click on it and in task to terminate the process. Now the connecting internet step has been bypassed. Enter your name and go proceed. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.